WordBot is very friendly application, and I recommend all my friends to learn the words using a WordBot. Uh, I have my GRE on 12th, and after it, they 3-4 days till now. Whenever I get a doubt about the meaning of the word or anything, I'll just search on WordBot and not on Pool application, because it has a image attached to the every word, so it feels very easy to learn the word. There is 4 to 5 papers based on every module, and then there is advanced question, and then there is 10 style tests of verbal and quant, and then there is 4 full length paper test. I almost completed everything in the paper. They helped me very well, especially the quant, because the kind of question that I was making mistake in the practice test, I can see that the same type of questions in my actual GRE also, and then there I was able to correct those answers because of my previous experience. So I'll say it is the most helpful practice papers. I say that the level of the question in the GRE style test or GRE style test and the actual GRE is almost the same, and I learned the word from the WordBot, so I can see almost 80% of the words that I know in the exam.